Hey everybody, having an unboxing today. This is a mechanical keyboard from Azio. Azio is a Taiwanese brand, but the mechanical keyboards are quite popular in the US because mechanical keyboards are a pretty big thing in the States. If you're not familiar, mechanical keyboards is basically a keyboard with a real mechanical mechanism underneath the keys so that when you type them, you get proper feedback. That's how old keyboards on devices such as typewriters used to do it. Before, as technology advances, products get smaller and smaller, but sometimes at the sacrifice of functionality. So nowadays, more and more people are using highly portable keyboards such as this. This is one of my go-to work machines. It's an iPad Pro with Apple's smart keyboard. And although I can type pretty fast on this, look at how thin the keys are. There's actually not much travel. So travel is the distance between how much you can press the key downwards. So when I type too long on this, my finger gets a little bit sore and I developing slight symptoms of carpal tunnel. That's because ultimately it's just not ideal to type on a keyboard that thin and that flimsy. So that's what a mechanical keyboard is for. It offers a lot of travel and just good tactile feedback as you type, so that means you'll get a better typing experience. Although at the same time, this is a very bulky keyboard, obviously. So you see the boxes right here. Azio Corp, established 2009, retro classic backlit mechanical keyboard. So you see the packaging is quite nice right here. So you see that the packaging is quite nice. You get a little bit, you get a pocket here with a card. I believe that's like a ticket of authenticity. I'm gonna check into that really quick. So actually it's a warranty card. And then right here you have a instruction booklet with a microfiber cloth. A lot of packaging for a keyboard. So this keyboard comes in either Bluetooth or wired. I chose wired instead of Bluetooth because I figured this is such a bulky keyboard. I'm not going to be taking this out. I'm going to be using this on my desk with a computer, with a laptop. So I chose a USB cable connection. Although I don't know why they couldn't have just made one with both cable and Bluetooth connection. So as you can see, pretty nicely built keyboard. You have these kind of steel frames around it, and the keys, you hear that noise? This is a very satisfying click as you're typing. So I'm a very fast typer. I type like 107 words per minute. So I'm excited to test this out. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna score very high on this keyboard because it's very comfortable to type on. The key seems to be spaced accurately. It's a QWERTY keyboard. And you get even a number pad and all the shortcut keys, the F keys. So you look at the bottom, you have these kind of rubber footing, 4 of them. So it should stay sturdy even if your table is a little bit like tilted up like that. Anyway, I'm gonna test out the keyboard. Be back. Hey everybody, so I've been using this Azio keyboard all day. I typed like 2-3 stories on it and I'm really liking it a lot. So first let me take you guys to the website. So I didn't pay for this. Azio was nice enough to send me one. So thank you Azio. You see this keyboard, it's $190 US. So I can tell that if you're not used to using mechanical keyboards, you're going to think this is expensive. But for people who are mechanical keyboard fanatics, I think this price is worth it. So this is the Elwood color. This is the one I'm using. So as you can see, it looks very good. You have this kind of wooden body with a matte copper frame that just fits very nicely. You have a number pad on the right and a full-size QWERTY keyboard. And if you look here, you see that there are these shortcut buttons here for opening a web page email, music, music controls, volume controls, brightness, and all of that. And so as you can see, this keyboard has backlights, so you can turn them on and off, or you can actually turn them into different modes. One of them, it's like this pretty cool trailing mode that after you type, the keys will kind of follow right after, like a shadow, basically. So the key travels on these keys are amazing. There's 3.6 millimeters of travels, so every key is very clicky. And then you're typing on this, it's a very satisfying tactile feeling. So I jumped on typingtest.com to test my typing speed on this keyboard, and I finished with 109 words per minute at just the speed. So the just the speed is I scored 113 actually, but I made 4 mistakes, so it's actually 109 words. So that's slightly above my usual average actually. I average 107, so that means this keyboard I'm typing at my peak possible speed, I feel like. So this keyboard has an adjustable leg down at the bottom, so you can tilt the keyboard up a little bit towards you if that's more comfortable, or you can have it flattened against the table. So overall, I'm liking this keyboard a lot, but to be fair, I didn't pay for this. $190, I think I would be willing to pay for it because I like typing on a proper keyboard. But I fully admit that to a lot of people who've gotten used to typing on laptop keyboards, this is like a pretty big price to ask for because you can almost get a full budget laptop for like $190. So this is an Azio Retro Classic Mechanical Keyboard. If you're interested, I'm gonna have the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching.